गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ स्टूडेंट। आज हम कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन के बारे में रीड करेंगे। ये हमारे पास एक कॉम्बिनेशन में मोर देन 3 रेजिस्टेंस हैं और इनको हमने किसी बैटरी से कनेक्ट कर दिया गया। तो कॉम्बिनेशन रजिस्टर ये कहता है कि दैट इज आर मोर देन 2 रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्टेड बाय ए सर्किट is the first resistance of end part connected by the second resistance is first part. Both are combination in every times of the second resistance is end part connected by third resistance end part. And constant of the electric current and variation of the potential every resistance. Variation of these, variation of point due to point A and point B. A movement by the electric current A to B in circuit diagram, the every time the resistance is very lower flow of the charge. In case of the resistance in increase, variation of the potential. As the total circuit is the potential is V, we find that the connected by the circuit diagram due to point A, flow of the resistance in the given the potential is fall IR1 and second resistance is IR2 and third resistance is IR3 and this is the point B. B to move the attached by the potential battery terminal and find the cyclic process is point A. In this case, the total potential given by VA minus K IR1 minus IR2 minus IR3 plus E is equal to VA. This is the value of VA is cancelled. VA minus KI R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus E is equal to VA is the VA is cancelled. E is equal to I R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the total potential E division by I is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the total resistance R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. When this connected by the N resistance in series combination, when the connected by N resistance in series combination, this is the value of R total is equal to NR. Each resistance is defined as R total upon N. R is equal to R total upon N. R is each resistance. R is each resistance in the circuit if the total resistance increase in total resistance increase in series combination. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में रेजिस्टेंस हमारा बढ़ जाता है और हम एन ईच रेजिस्टेंस निकालेंगे तो वहाँ R इज इक्वल टू R टोटल अपॉन एन के साथ हम इसे डिफाइन, दिस इज द फ्लो ऑफ सिस्टम। ये हमारे पास एक फ्लो सिस्टम है, इस फ्लो सिस्टम के द्वारा हम इसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं। अब इसी तरह से हमारे पास पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन हो जाए, अब पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन से होता है तो हम यह निकाल सकते हैं वैल्यू ऑफ मोर देन 3 रेजिस्टेंस connected in parallel combination both are end. In case of variation of the electric current, constant of the potential difference. This is the two plates are given the resistance of and resistance is parallel combination more than 2 resistance E R1 R2 and R3, this is the potential is always constant, variation of the current I1, I2, I3, main circuit is flow of the current A, this is the point of A and B. This is the plate of A and plate B connected of I1 R1 I2 R2 और ये I3 R3 के साथ। Then the potential is defined as more than 3 resistance are both are end in the terminal, variation of the electric current and constant of the potential. This is the value of VA minus I1 R1 is equal to VB. This is the value of VA minus K VB is equal to I1 R1, and second is VA minus K VB is equal to I2 R2 and VA minus K VB is equal to I3 R3. This is the define of I1 is equal to VA minus K VB upon R1, I2 is equal to VA minus K VB upon R2 and I3 is equal to VA minus K VB upon R3. In circuit diagram is connected by the V, define of the total current I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 by according to Kirchhoff law. This is the Junson's rules. This is a Junson's rule, flow of the current I and division by the 3 current I1, I2, I3 So this is the input current is equal to output current. I is defined as the VA minus K VB upon R total current is equal to VA minus K VB upon R1, VA minus K VB upon R2 or VA minus K VB upon R3. This is the value of VA minus K VB upon R total is equal to VA minus K VB 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. This is the value is cancelled. To find the resultant of the formula 1 upon R total is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. In parallel combination connected by the more than 3 resistance, if the value is resistance is decreased if n resistance connected 1 upon R total is equal to n upon R. So R is equal to n R total resistance. This is the each resistance R is equal to n into R total. Find the value in called is the connected by the series and parallel combination.